Hello students, today we will be discussing about land bridge and sea bridge. So the topic for today is land bridge and sea bridge. So what is sea bridge? I have already drawn the diagram. This is sea and this is the seashore. So what happens during the daytime? A lot of sunlight falls on the sea and also on the land. The specific heat of sea is very high, so the water of the sea gets heated after a long time, while the specific heat of land is very less, it's very low. Since the specific heat of water is high, what does it mean? Specific heat of water is high, what does that mean? That means that if we heat water, we have to heat the water for a very long time in order to increase the temperature of water. While on the other hand, the specific heat of land is low, its specific heat is low and its water specific heat is high. So what happens when the sun's heat comes on the land? It comes both on the land and both on the land and sea. So what happens when the sunlight falls on river or sea? So when it falls on the sea, what happens? The water doesn't get heated very soon, and when it falls on the land, since its specific heat is very low, it gets heated. So the land gets heated faster than the water, as the specific heat of land is very low in comparison to water. So what happens when this sunlight will fall on the land will become heated. Because of the sunlight, the land will become very heated very fast. While if the same sunlight when falls on water, the water doesn't get heated very quickly. It takes a very lot of time. It takes huge amount of time. And this land when becomes hot, land becomes hotter. So the air in contact to land also becomes hotter and this air rises above. The air will rise above when the sunlight falls on land, because the specific heat of land is less, so the air above the land will also get heated in turn after the land gets heated. And in case of water, what happens? It doesn't get heated as soon as land does. So what happens? The air above the land becomes hotter, it goes and rises above. So what happens? Since air goes above, so a vacuum is being created. A vacuum is being created and also low pressure. Now the water above the sea is cold. The water above the sea is cold and the water above the land was hotter. This hot air rises up, creating a vacuum. While on the sea, the cold and heavy air is still there. So the air will move from sea to the land. The air will move from sea to the land. And this air which moves from sea to the land, it is very cold and you will feel very pleasant to it, you will feel very comfortable. This air, when air moves, it is called wind. This air which comes from sea to the land is called sea breeze. This air which comes from sea to the land is called sea bridge. So this happens during the daytime. Now what happens during the night time? During the night time, I am showing in this region that what happens as the sea water is getting heat from the sun, so it becomes hotter during the night time. Now what happens on the land? On the land will get heated up quickly, but when the sun sets, then there is no heat, so the land becomes cool. Air near the land becomes cooled and there is hotter air. Now what will happen? A vacuum will be created in the sea, above the sea. A vacuum of air will be created on the sea and this cold and heavy air will go and fill this vacuum. So now this air which is filling from land to sea, the opposite thing happens. So this is called land bridge. So I think you have understood whatever I was trying to understand. If you have any problem, you can comment me. Thanks for watching the video.